In this video lesson, we're going to find the common ratio of a geometric sequence. So let us start with this example. Solve the common ratio in the geometric sequence. So as you can see, we have the first term na 4 and we have also the last term na 64. So makikita rin natin dito na meron tayong mga missing terms na medyo nagpahirap sa atin kung paano natin malalaman yung ating common ratio. So we have steps to solve the common ratio of a geometric sequence given only the first term and the last term. So step 1, identify the first term. So meron tayo ditong 4 and the last term na 64 and also identify the number of terms in the problem. So in our problem, we have 5 terms. So for our step 2, we're going to use the formula for the nth term of a geometric sequence given a sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1 para mahanap natin yung common ratio. We're now going to substitute the given. So our last term, a sub n, is 64 equals 4, yung ating first term, times r raised to n minus 1. So, yung n natin dito is 5. So, we have 5 minus 1. And then, we're going to simplify 5 minus 1. So, meron tayo ditong 4. Now, meron na tayong 64 equals 4 times r to the power of 4. And then, we're going to multiply 4 dun sa r to the power of 4 natin. So, magkakaroon tayo ngayon ng 64 equals 4r to the power of 4. So next is we're going to cancel the coefficient nitong 4r to the power of 4 natin. So i-divide natin both sides by 4. So 64 divided by 4 equals 4r to the power of 4 divided by 4. Meron na tayong 16 equals r to the power of 4. So paano natin i-cancel itong exponent na 4? So para makancel natin yung exponent na 4, kailangan yung kabilang side ng ating equation ay mayroon ding exponent na 4. So, paano ang gagawin natin? Yung 16, kailangan nating express into exponential form na mayroong exponent na 4. So, ano ba yung exponential form ni 16 na mayroong exponent na 4? So, that's 2 to the power of 4. So, 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16. So, we have 2 to the power of 4 equals r to the power of 4. So, para makancel natin itong exponent na 4, we need to take the fourth root of both sides. So, we have fourth root of 2 to the power of 4 equals fourth root nitong r to the power of 4. So, dito papasok yung ating dalawang property. Pwedeng yung ratio of a power o kaya naman yung power of a ratio. So, dito, meron tayong exponent na 4. We're going to divide 4 na exponent dito sa ating index na 4. So, 4 divided by 4 is 1. Dito naman sa kabila, yung ating exponent ng r na 4 ay i-divide din natin dito sa index na 4. So, meron tayo ngayong positive and negative 2 is equal to r. So, bakit positive and negative 2? Tandaan natin na kapag yung exponent na ika-cancel natin ay even number, meron tayong dalawang common ratio. Isang positive at isang negative. So now, the common ratios are positive 2 and a negative 2. So for our next example, find the common ratio in the geometric sequence. So dito naman meron tayong a sub 1 na 3 at yung ating last term, a sub n, is equal to 27. So, yung number of terms naman natin dito ay 3 lang. So, we have a sub 1 is 3, a sub 3 is 27, and yung n natin is 3. Again, gagamitin ulit natin yung formula ng nth term ng geometric sequence natin. Given a sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1 para mahanap natin yung common ratio. So, let us substitute the given. For our last term, we have 27. And for the first term, we have 3. times r raised to 3 minus 1. So yung 3 natin dito ay nakuha natin dito sa number of terms or yung n natin. Let's simplify 3 minus 1. We have 2. So now our equation is 27 equals 3 times r squared. So to simplify, 27 equals 3r squared and we're going to cancel our coefficient dito and i-divide natin sila both sides by 3. So we have 27 divided by 3 equals 3r squared divided by 3. Now makukuha natin yung 9 equals r squared. Again, para makancel natin itong exponent na to, kailangan nating i-express itong 9 into exponential form na ang exponent din niya ay 2. So, 9 in exponential form ay 3 squared. So, 3 squared is equal to r squared na yung ating equation. So, to cancel yung ating exponent na 2, take natin yung square root ng 3 squared at ng ating r squared. So, we have now positive negative 3 is equal to r. Again, kaya naging positive and negative 3 ang ating r kasi yung ating exponent na ika-cancel ay even number. Kaya meron tayong dalawang common ratio. We have positive 3 at meron tayong negative 3. Thus, the common ratios are positive 3 and negative 3.